All right, guys, so you're walking on your trail, you got your lead rope, you need to let your dog pick the route also. Don't always force her to go where you're going because it might not be the safest route. Trust your dog, trust your horses, be a man, grow a beard, love you all.